Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Mickey Mouse shape pancake. Grease pan with butter. Here I have pancake batter. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of batter, pour it on the pan and then make the ears. The background is the face and the sides. I'm gonna pour a little bit of liquid and try to make the shape. Let's do it again one more time right here. Big circle and then 2 half circles on the sides. And that's very much about it. That's what you need to do. I'm gonna make some pancakes. Wait for it to bubble, and then as you can see right here, it's kind of solid and dry. That's when we are going to flip it. They're all nice and brown. I'm gonna take them out. You need to cook them from at least 2 minutes from one side on low flame. Here I'm just putting a few out for you to see, like the shape and everything, and it's ready. Serve it with strawberries and some syrup, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching.